black pepper lamb winter melon stew, or black pepper lamb winter melon bowl, or kali mirch mutton Petha Kaddu Masala, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes for dinner and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most different of the mutton recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes. Around 300 to 350 grams of lamb pieces, cleaned and cut into pieces. You're taking around 100 grams of winter melon or ashwood, peeled and cut into pieces. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Saute. Put in ginger, salt, and all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Curry salt. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder, a spoon of mixture of spices, a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and a quarter spoon of chili powder, and 1 spoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix in the spice mixture into the put in the lamb pieces. Mix in the lamb pieces with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix it in. Winter melon pieces. Mix it in. Mix in the winter melon pieces. Put in the 2 green chili. And let it cook. Put in a sprig of curry leaves and some cilantro leaves. And let this mixture cook for 30 to 35 minutes in the pressure cooker. And some mint and curry leaves as garnish. Now the black pepper lamb winter melon stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper lamb winter melon stew, or black pepper lamb winter melon bowl. One of the tastiest Indian recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes found in one of the most delicious of the winter melon recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique with the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button.